So recently someone had a question, will drinking more water help me lose weight? So I want to quickly answer it, okay? They may have missed my earlier videos on this, so I'm just going to do a new video on this. So you can watch a lot of YouTube videos that will tell you that drinking water will help you lose weight, and they'll say it's scientifically proven. So they pretty much have 3 points that they talk about. The water will replace these calories from food, and of course you're going to eat less, and eating less ends up causing you to lose more weight, okay? Well, we already know that a low-calorie diet doesn't work, okay? It's going to cause you to be more hungry. What you want to do is you want to switch your body over into ketones. Ketones are a better fuel source, and most people have a tremendous amount of potential energy or fat to tap into to get them to lose weight. So drinking more water does not cause you to tap into fat loss, okay? Next thing you talk about is it'll reduce hunger. And sometimes they'll say that, well, when you're hungry, it really means that you're thirsty. So if you drink more water, it'll trick your body into satisfying your hunger. Well, maybe for a little bit until you have to pee all the water out. But as far as water goes, it's not the best thing to reduce hunger. You want to, again, adapt your body into burning fat so your hunger completely just goes away, okay? So to do that, you want to drop insulin. Insulin is the key hormone that makes you hungry for 2 reasons. One is it stimulates hunger, and number 2, it'll drop your blood sugars, and that alone will cause you to be hungry. So to reduce insulin, you want to reduce your carbs and decrease the frequency of eating, okay? If you do that, your body will adapt and you will not be hungry, okay? So drinking water as a trick to reduce hunger is just basically a waste of time. All right, and the other thing they say is that water will stimulate your metabolism. Absolutely not true. What will stimulate your metabolism is lowering the dominating hormones that will nullify all 6 fat-burning hormones. Okay, so these hormones are the fat-making hormones: insulin, estrogen, and cortisol. These 3 slow your metabolism. There are 6 fat-burning hormones that will help you burn fat, and water isn't one of those hormones. So we have insulin, cutting carbs, reducing the frequency of eating. Reducing insulin, let's say you're taking birth control pills. Well, that can add more estrogen and slow down your weight loss. Or you're consuming a lot of soy, which is a bit estrogenic. That could be a problem. Or you're on hormone replacement therapy. Then we have cortisol, which is activated by stress. And one of the symptoms of high cortisol is belly fat. But what the body's doing, it's converting protein into fat. So, and it's through the action of insulin. So really, cortisol triggers insulin, which then makes you fat, especially in your midsection right through in here. And then we have exercise, high intensity interval training, and compound resistant training. And good sleep will help you stimulate your metabolism. If you think about it, when you go to sleep, if you weigh yourself and when you wake up, it'll actually be a little less. Versus weighing yourself in the morning and then weighing yourself at night, you won't see much difference. So when you sleep, you trigger growth hormone, and you actually your metabolism is actually burning fat. So it's totally okay to drink water, and especially if you're predisposed to having kidney stones. So there's a condition called hyponatremia, which is overhydration, drinking way too much water. And the danger of that is that you deplete your electrolytes, specifically sodium, and that can create heart problems. But again, it's okay to drink water. And I'm not opposed to that. It might be a good idea to add electrolytes to it, but just don't ever force yourself to drink like gallons and gallons of water, especially if you're exercising, because that could be a problem, especially if you're not taking your salt. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So I want to thank you for being here and watching my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so you can stay informed of future videos.